Bible, Mom?
Whenever I see someone less fortunate than I, and let's face it, who isn't less fortunate than I, my tender heart tends to start to bleed. And when someone needs a makeover, I simply have to take over. I know exactly what they need. And even in your case, though it's the toughest case I'm here to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. Follow my lead. And yes, indeed, you will be popular. I know about popular. I'll teach you the proper ploys, how to talk to boys, little ways to flirt and flounce, what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. You're gonna be popular. Hang with the right cohorts, you'll be good at sports. Know the slang you've got to know. So let's start, 'cause you've got an awfully long way to go. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Now that I've chosen to become a pedal-assist advisor, there's nobody wiser, not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with innocence from me to be who you'll be, instead of treat who you were are. There's nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. War. La, 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 you'll be popular. And I see depressing creatures with unprepossessing features. I remind them on their own behalf to think of celebrating heads of state or specially good communicators. Did they have brains or knowledge? Don't make me laugh. They were popular, please. It's about popular. It's not about aptitude.